Okay, guys, what do you expect for the Federal Reserve meeting next week?
I would say no hike is sort of the safer bet unless we get really excellent figures. And so the focus, I think, will be on the message. They'll keep hope alive for a December meeting. But then, of course, everything depends on the data. The data should be good enough for a December move, also after the elections. But in general, the Fed is usually dovish, and I expect them to repeat it. What do you think, Valeria?
Honestly, I'm not sure what we're going to hear because we have a lot of mixed messages coming from the Fed lately. But I'm expecting a bit of a hawkish stand, contrary to you, because of what Yellen particularly said in the opening remarks of the Jackson Hole Symposium. Still, I do agree with you that we are not going to see a rate hike this month. And if it happens, it will be a major surprise for the market. And we can see wild movements going on, of course, dollar crosses. That's the most I can think right now, right? But I know what the Fed will do. I wish.
Yeah, I think if we do have a rate hike, we could see maybe euro dollar falling under 109.
Yeah.
And
that kind of movements.
Yeah, because I think it was BNP Paribas or another French bank that they still expect a rate hike. But most economists, most banks don't expect a rate hike. Most the bond markets don't expect a rate hike. So if we do get it, that'll be, of course, that'll be the big explosion we're waiting for, I guess. But again, chances are low.
I was thinking that the Reserve Bank of Australia is expecting a rate hike. The Switzerland National Bank is expecting a rate hike in the US, I mean, right?
Yeah.
There are many central banks around the world that are expecting the Fed to act. The Bank of Japan also, right? They're expecting the Fed to act and save their lives, sort of saying. Right? That's the correct word to use in live coverage. But you know what I mean, guys, right? They are waiting for the Fed to act, right? And those are the ones more eagerly waiting for a rate hike in the US.
Yeah, maybe they know something we don't. Maybe they heard something from Yellen in Jackson Hole. Remember, Kuroda was there as well, and other central bankers. But I believe it's more their wishful thinking and not something they know.
Yeah, I do agree with that.